Hello guys, today we're going to be seeing if there's an imposter Shane. So I put L's because they can do that in players, and let's no. And he's on the website, bro, he's on his website. I'm gonna just add him as a friend and see what happens. I'll be right back, guys. So it has been a few minutes and he has added me. We are going to send this guy a message. Hey, let's see if he responds. I'll be right back, see if he responds. Okay, it has been a couple of minutes and he said a smiley face and then hello. So, this meaning, I'm going to say I'll see if he responds. Alright, I am back. He said, no, I will never tell you. And then he said a smiley face. And this, guys, this is not clickbait. Right now, I'm going to refresh. There we go. It is not fake. He's friends with me, which is, I typed this as an alt account. I have 4 friends, and one of them is him. Which I don't think this is the real Shane. Okay, he keeps on saying never, so I'm just giving up at this point that he's not gonna tell me who he is. Shane, if you're seeing this video, this guy, shaniceihe, this guy might even be a fan of you, because the real account is banned. You cannot find it. You can only find this account, shaniceihe RIP. I made this 5/11/2020. If you search shaniceihe with the regular, he is not there. Because he is banned, and I don't know who this is. shaniceihe's rate goes. But, yeah. I'm going to, ending off there. And I'll see you all tomorrow and see. Okay, guys, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna go tomorrow. We have to get this guy's Discord, if he even has Discord. Oh my gosh, I can't move my recorder down. What the heck is wrong with this? Oh, no, I don't want to go to jailbreak. Wait, there's dogs in jailbreak? No, what the hell? Okay, anyway, I'll say, what's your Discord? Oh my gosh, of course, what's your Discord? Discord. Alright, you probably understand that. I'll be right back until he responds. Alright guys, so I just got his Discord, shaniceihe hashtag 10109M. So that is his Discord. Now go add him. Hey guys, so okay, well this is not wrong. Excuse me. Again, okay, this should be right. But, this imposter, okay, it's logged me in. Discord channel is not me. shaniceihe hashtag 109. Alright, pending. Oh my god, it's him, message. Oh gosh, I can't type it. Okay, I'll wait until he accepts my friend request. Okay guys, so it's a little bit after he accepted my friend request. I said hello today at 12:09, and look, he is online. We are going to call him. 3, 2, 1. Here we go, we're calling him. Uh-oh. Hopefully he answers. I'll get to you when he answers. Okay, guys, this is very weird. Just started screen sharing, and that is me right there. And I see something downloaded. right there. Pinning. And Shane is not on a computer. I guess he's on a computer, or this is a fake Shane. Maybe a fan. So, I have no idea what's going on. I've never experienced this, and I'm not going to click this. I can't unmute. Hope he stops sharing. So. Okay, guys, he literally just unmuted, and he's not talking, really. He is not talking. Literally, all I see is his mic just unmuted. He's not talking at all. This is not me, because you see, I'm talking, and the mic is not growing green and not picking up anything. So, yeah, so it's not me. It is not me, and, yeah, so. I have no idea who this is, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. And then, I'm going to see if he talks. Alright, so, literally all he did is just mute his mic again. So, I can't even unmute. I'm just muted, and, he's literally muted also. And guys, I'm gonna end the video, read the description, as in the title, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!